Hi, this is Jim Kale, and this is my friend Ann Kelly from Theme Park Insider. This is my third time riding Top Thrill 2 and Ann's fifth time, and I tell you right now, I'm just as scared as I was the first time. This is an amazing experience.
It's fun.
We're going to be launched 74 miles an hour up the first hill, go up about 110 feet, then let go. We're going to roll back, go through the station, at 101 miles an hour, up almost 400 feet backwards. And then we're going to be launched down again, 120 miles an hour, up over the top at 420 feet. And it's going to be, I'm going to say it now because I'm not going to be able to talk when we start. We'll see you at the end.
1, let's go!
Bye! And we're rolling back.
All right.
And we're getting accelerated now. 101 miles an hour through the station.
Wow.
And we're almost 400 feet in the air. And we're falling, we're plummeting now.
Go.
120 miles an hour.
Woo.
We're weightless at the top. And we're now, oh wow. That is unlike anything you've ridden before. It takes the old Top Thrill dragster to a new level.
That's
we
beautiful.
Can't encourage you enough to get to Cedar Point and ride this. They're very concerned with safety. You have to take everything out of your pockets, and that's probably a good idea because there probably wouldn't be anything left in your pockets at the end of this ride. So, thank you. We'll see you at Cedar Point.